Good morning. Just about 9:15. Monday morning, 16th of December, 2019. And it's marketwizards.com, eatingminingwizards.com, reminding you to use risk capital you can afford to lose. Chase trade today. Slingshot trade from Friday. Aqueduct trades in play. As usual, we want to start off where we left off. We left off back here, 75-ish, and this is for the March contract. This is a 2-day swing. Target I had suggested we may be trying to get to right now is this 94.5, about a point away. And I'm looking at this leg right here saying, nope, we're going up. So that's my aggressive support. Right there. Short's got to beat that for any more continuation south side. Simple. Anybody that's played alongside going into the open paid for sure. This is the March contract. First time we're looking at that together. And the numbers we'll be calling out this week will all be related to the March contract. Going to pay attention to that 88 because that was the prior high on this contract. Above that, searching for new territory. Below it, searching for support. Left off back here at that 75 area. Had that spike down, and we had talked about that the other day, and then it went quiet and just sat there, waiting for news perhaps over the weekend. Either way, always so much easier for the boys to run it upside overnight. We've seen this play before. Panama Canal Trade. Floated up, floated up, floated up. Posted this last night. Suggested we use the 15-minute chart. Looked pretty bullish to me above the blue line. We'd found support back at the rain line, closed just above the blue line. We gap up, and then the squeeze all night long. Hitting R1 already. The predictive chart is 93.5, 94.5, our target. And obviously we've got that 32.03.5 I posted, and we talked about that last week, that would be the next big marker we're looking at. So we'll take a look at that. I believe that's destined to be hit. Time will tell. So the question is how much risk you want to put on to get there. Buy pullback should be today's strategy, and if you jump in and buy any place you try to buy high to sell higher, Drop it if you lose your stop 2 to 3 points max. Angels and demons. Here's my support. Look at it. Look at the volume. We've got news coming out at 9:45. Now we could get any type of crazy news today. We've got impeachment stuff and whatever. So you know, you don't just close your eyes and buy high and sell higher. And anybody that understands the game of stolen range understands that the substantial portion of today's up move is probably already in. Doesn't mean we're going to flash down. We could get a very choppy session too. So those are the major ideas. So in general, this 82 is supportive. I'm going to use this 92 area as our pivot zone right now. You can see the demon 91.75, and then potential resistance target above that 94.5 is that 02. And that does not have to limit the upside. It's just where our next major theme comes in. We'll keep an eye on this chart the next day or so as well. Markets may thin out this week. And I do believe we are subject to news events, so don't ruin your holidays by just being too aggressive this week. My best advice to you. And if we get a flash down, then you're going to be looking, I think, to rebuy. Game is to print 3,200 plus this week. And the rain line supportive for sure. So this last known low, clearly support until broken.